ရသေးဘူးလားရလားဟမ်ဟုတ်လားပြကြည့်ပါလားနည်းကြည့်ချင်လားအဲ့ဒါ
ไปกวนตีนะ
ไปกวนตี
ถ้าต้องมาข้อตะลุกนี้สู้มามีเนี่ยข้อ
Just now the fishing net which is very small, so the big fish. There's no wave. When the water is quiet, and then they can see the net, and also they can see the fish. See, he got one. Got one, two. This kind of tiny fish is very delicious, he says. Very sweet. So when they see the water bubble, and then they move to that place, and then they go to put down the fishing net and the basket.
Et en fait, après, il l'attrape avec cette pointe, j'ai l'impression. Non?
Je ne sais pas.
And then when there is a fish inside,
yes,
they use this stick.
Yeah, with the stick, and then he's going to put beside of the net, and then he pull up, then he will get a fish. I'll show you. And we have a fish.
C'est grand, la vache. So the nest goes to the bottom?
To the bottom, madam, to the bottom. He's like yarding the fish. See that?
Ama tombangan, ama video, saya coba ya video. Video rồi và mình coi đào lên cái gặp ra không gặp ra không phải có chuyện ở đây thì xuống mà cái ban đầu vậy về rồi
Nó thì nó mà khâu ra.